Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about why people seem to think that Etsy is going to remove reviews when 99% of the time that's not going to happen. Now you can always ask to have a review removed. If you go to the review itself on desktop, there's a little place that says report review, and you can report it. If you think that it has someone's personal information, they will remove that. If it has vulgar words, if someone is swearing at you in the review, they'll remove that. And now that people can post videos and photos, sometimes you can get those removed, but 99% of the time, Etsy is not legally allowed to remove a review. And that's because there are consumer protection laws, and if everybody could remove bad reviews, then there would be no bad reviews online. So there are actual laws against removing reviews unless you're working within very specific parameters. So the next time you get mad at Etsy for not removing a review, or if you get a review that you think is unfair, just think about how to respond to that. And if you can't work it out with the customer, or if you don't want to work it out with the customer, and sometimes, most of the time, I don't, just respond to the review, lock it in. The customer can't come back and forth with you and argue with you. If you respond to it, that's the end of it. And I have another video about responding to all reviews, but especially bad ones, you have to be careful what you say. Don't say anything in anger. Be professional. Remember that you're posting the response to that review for everyone who comes behind that person and reads the review. You're not responding to the person that wrote the review. So just be careful. But Etsy, most of the time, will not remove a review. And like I said, if you want to try to work it out with the customer, you can. But the reason that they can't remove all the reviews is that there are legal rules about that. They can't legally remove things. So leave me any questions, and I will talk to you later.